I think that's a 1988 International Eagle 9400. 400 Cummins in it. Anyway, picked up in Paris, Tennessee, going to Catlett, Virginia. Thanks for watching. Howdy folks, Mud Flaps here. What we got going on today, I dropped off over in Catlett, Virginia. I bounced over here in London, Ohio, picked up a Nissan forklift. It's a diesel. About I don't know, I guess it's 18,000 pounds, 20,000 pound forklift going to Sikeston, Missouri. Anyway, it's freezing raining, but we got it loaded. The guy, he was real nice. And let me back inside the barn to load it. So we loaded it, changed it down, but you can see how nasty it is. Got icicles hanging down. Anyway, I'm gonna jump out, take a short little video to load. Hopefully it won't get too wet. Got ice on the trailer. Anyway, we survived. Head to the house. Thanks for watching. Sikeston, Missouri, going to Antioch, Tennessee. I'm hanging over just a little bit. Got me a little red flag. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time around. Good morning, folks. Saturday morning, Portland, Tennessee. Coming down here to move this 12-foot wide semi-trailer. Gotta move it up about 6-8 inches. Got it too close to the building. They're working on it, getting ready to go, and they need a little more room. So we're gonna move to 12 wide. There she is, 12 wide. drop my trailer, hook up to it, air it up, pull it up about 6 inches. Out of Indianapolis, Indiana, going to Sikeston, Missouri. They're brand spanking new. Got edge protectors around there to keep it from scratching. Got the chain wrapped around the handles. They got a lot of forklifts around here. Looking good. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time around.